If the Temu free gift offer never shows up for you, you're probably not doing anything wrong. You're just entering the app the wrong way. And honestly, that's the part almost nobody explains. Because I kept hearing people say the free gift popped up instantly for me. Meanwhile, when I opened Temu, nothing happened, no event, no reward section, nothing. So I tested it multiple times, and after a while I noticed something interesting. The people getting the free gift offer quickly weren't opening Temu normally. That changed everything. The first time I tried it, I opened the app directly, started browsing, looked around manually, and the free gift system never appeared. Then I tested a different approach. Instead of entering normally, I entered through the promotion first, and within seconds, the free gift section appeared. Same account, same phone, different entry. That's when it finally made sense. The system reacts to how you enter, not just what you do after opening the app, because if you open Temu like a normal shopper, you stay in regular browsing mode, but when you enter through an active promotion, the app immediately recognizes you differently, and that's what triggers the offer. After that, the whole experience changes. You start seeing reward sections, offers, gift selections, event tasks. Everything finally becomes visible. Now, let's keep this real. Does triggering the offer mean instant rewards? No, you still have to interact with the system, but getting the feature to appear, that part really can happen fast. And honestly, that's the hardest part for most people. Not getting rewards, just getting inside the system in the first place. Try it this way and tell me, did the free gift offer finally appear for you in seconds, or still nothing?